Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install apache2 web server and configure PHP with apache2 server in Windows 10. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Let's start by downloading PHP and apache2 server from this website. Click here to download Apache 2 server for Windows 64-bit operating system, and this file is for 32-bit operating system. I have already downloaded this, and browse this website to download PHP. Here select binaries from here. The recommended file is threadsafe. This is for Windows 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. I have downloaded this file. Now copy this to file to C drive and extract this zip file. Create a new folder name PHP and extract to PHP folder. Select and extract. It takes some time depending on your PC. Okay, now extract Apache, extract and move to PHP folder and copy this PHP ini development and paste here to make a duplicate file and rename php.ini. Enter and change. Okay, now copy this path and environment variable okay. Now click on environment variable and set the path of PHP. New path, this is for current user, and add here for all users of this system. Okay, and okay. Open CMD. And check PHP version. Okay, PHP installed successfully. Okay, copy Apache folder to C drive and delete uploaded this to file, and press Windows key plus X and open command prompt with admin privilege. Click on yes to open. Change directory to C drive and navigate to apache2 for bin folder by cd command. Now install Apache web server by this command httpd -k install. HTTP web server is installed successfully. Go to service, you can start HTTP server from here. Okay, now start apache2 server. Okay, now check this by this URL. It works. That means Apache web server installed successfully in Windows operating system. Now I am going to configure PHP with Apache2 server to run PHP code in Apache2 web server. Open this file with any text editor and find index.html, search and add here index.php to execute PHP file, and go to bottom of the file and add this code here. And this module for php8. Save this file and see here php8 apache2 4. Copy this and see here same name. Okay, save this and create a new file inside htdocs, a folder php. Inside php folder create a new php file with php extension. Yes, now open this file and write a php script. Echo php running in apache2 apache2 server, save this file and restart apache2 server. Okay, php, that's it. If you like this video, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.